Don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on the bell for notifications. Hello, this is Jessica from Lily Marie Creations, coming with a color sort for the SWF-12 for the programming. So on this machine, it only takes the files DST, SST, and also I believe EBD. I do have embrilliance, and then as well as another programming, but for embrilliance, I'm going to be talking about mainly, and this is the only compatible program filed name that it has for my machine. It does not have the EBD or SST. So everything I save, I have to save it as a DST so I can transfer over to the machine. I had to take a whole break after spending the day yesterday trying to figure it out just to get my mind to absorb everything. But let me close this up. So this one's a really simple name on here because it's only one color. I was able to color sort just one, so that was an easy one. So on the right side here, it only shows you one color. So on the machine, this is what you're going to look at on how many times you got to pick your color for the machine. So let me get you a little bit more difficult ones. There's 3 of them, so I'm going to show you all 3 of them. So it's going to be a little lengthy, but at least if you don't get it the first time, get it the second time, maybe the third time for this. So basically this is one I digitized myself. Have all the steps here. So, and this one's an applique one, so there is 2, I believe 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, I believe 12 color sorts on here. We'll see. For this one, I did add colors to it. I could have left it the applique color, but I chose colors. So right here are all my color changes, and all the way to number 14 are all appliques. Everyone is just a tack down stitch, including the material stitch down. So, and then from there you cut your material. Also, I'm going to show you how to put stops on here so that way it can stop running on every step. And then there's the polar number 15, so all these will be running back to back, and there's only 24 colors here. So let me just do this. Actually, we're going to do the next step after. I want to transfer all these into a file. So this one, let me save this one. So I'm going to do this a separate file. So create new file, so that way you know that these are the ones I just created. So these are test files. So I'm going to leave her the same in a DST. Open that up. And save it. Okay. Again, got to make sure you have some software or anything for this machine, because you either want to print it out, or right here on the right side here is your color sort. Again, you want to refer to this. Okay, so this one is the other applique that I have all the different steps. So I was able to combine a lot of these together. So this one has 6 applique steps. So there's 2 for the hair, 2 for the body, 2 for the crown. So altogether, this one only has 11 steps. And then from here, I am going to save this. Again, remember the 11 on here and the 24 for the other girl. Save stitch file as. I'm going to keep it the same. Remove that PES since this is not PES. Okay. And then the last one, this one's a purchased one. So I purchased this, download it into embrilliance. I made sure it was a PES because some of the other files will actually give you an extra stitch in if you try to import something different. And it's a pain just to edit that to remove those extra stitches when this PES file is actually perfect. There's nothing extra to remove. So this one, it does have a DST, but I want to show you these specific colors on here. I might have to switch them out. Actually, let me switch them out for right now so you guys know, because I don't have these colors on this machine. So this one's white. I do have a pink on there, but it's a little bit darker. So I am going to just estimate it. So this one, actually, let's do that one right there. Let's see what else. I gotta see what step is this one. What else color I have? So this one's a light gray. So I do have purple there. So I'm gonna do, maybe I'll do two. Yes, I do have two. I do not have this one. So I can put that mint because I do have mint on there too. Let's get this on here, Seacrest. Okay. Let's get this color. Maybe I do have lavender on there. Or something near to lavender. Do this. And silver. I do not have silver. I do have gold on there. So I'll just put a rich gold. And linen. I do have linen in there. So cancel. So I'll leave linen on there. And I do have black. So, okay. So I am going to save that stitch file as unicorn bot. Okay, so next step is going on to the SWNS. If you don't have this again, make sure that you get your USB that came with your machine and download it. But I like this a lot better because everything's programmed unless you can do it on your machine. If you guys want one that's done in the machine, just let me know. It's almost the same concept as this one. Just print out your steps for your colors or bring your laptop to the machine so that way you can see which colors to add on. Screen on here. So basically the 8th. So there is white, pink, green, mint, lavender, this one is actually white on my machine. This one is black on my machine. It doesn't give you a number, that just gives you a code number. So you got to estimate what you feel is on your machine. And I have gold on number 3. So I'm going to go around here, make this gold. That way it gives you a view for yourself. So my 4 is, I gotta check my 4. I have a picture of this on my phone. Okay. Taking too long. All right. Okay. So 4 is like a linen color, so it's like a little bit like that. I did take a picture of the screen with the right colors on there, so that way I could just go from there instead of looking at my cones. So number 5 is brown. 6 is teal. 'Number 7 is, it's a pink, like a darker pink. 7 is, your machine doesn't get what you're putting in here, so the FFF, I don't know what brand that is. 7, 8, mine is like a hot pink, actually a neon pink. That, it's almost the same, but this a bit lighter. Okay, so 9 is lavender or just purple. 10 is a mint color. 11 is my red. Either this one right here. And 12 is my, what is it? I already did this one already, huh? Yep, okay. So that's it for here. Oh, that's I have glitter thread there. All right, so this one is 8, so we're gonna go back here and white, pink, teal, mint. Okay, we're gonna go here, white, pink, teal, lavender, or Seacrest. Okay, so that's actually mint. So this one's gonna be mint. All right. Now lavender, gold, white, and no, lavender, gold, the light color, and black. Lavender, gold. Oh no. This color and black. So we're going to save that. You're going to see the difference on here. That's okay. This right here, we got the colors we had originally. Okay, so don't delete this file, the original one that you imported, because you're going to remove it out of the folder that you had created on your machine. your laptop. Unicorn with 11 colors. This one I am just going to leave it and see what it does so that way you guys can see. So right now I am going to get all the 11 colors. Okay, so I like doing all these. Okay, so 6, all the way to 6 is going to be a pleat. So I am going to put all this in white. So where did I put it? Okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then right here, I believe I can put it right here where it's going to give me the stop. So all these should be a stop. So I'm going to try that on this one. Next video will be of the stitch out using these specific files. So number 7 is light pink, white, dark pink, gold, black. Okay. Better remember this. Hold on. Let me see if I can do this. This could be easier. Number 7 is, oh, for me, I got to get my camera because I'm not changing none of these right here. So that's my number 8. And then, oh, it disappeared on me. See if this helps. Okay. Enough is there. Okay. So number 8 is white. So, and it was dark pink. So that was 8 for me. And I believe it's gold and black. Gold and black. So gold was number 3. And black is number 2 for me. And I am going to save this one here. And close that up. All right, so this is what it got me for those colors. They're not the correct colors. If you want the correct colors, you need to change that entire palette every time you import a picture. Okay, but I am going to delete this one. Delete this one, and then her. I'm changing all the colors. So let me go back. White, black, red, And 12 is metallic. And that's it. See, I'm going to save those all, but right now I got to go back. Okay. And we're going to the one that has 24 color changes. So, you know these are it when there's 24 here. So, my appliques are all white, so I do have this applique, applique. So, all the way to 14 are all white for me. You can change it to the color you want. It's a lot better having the multi-needle, so you don't have to do all this. 15 is still white. Okay, so I'm going to make this different. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. All right, hold on. You can add them. You do the plus sign to add them all. But I believe you don't need these. Why is it not going? Okay, so it went all the way up to there. Okay. I'll stop it from 14. Okay. And then 15 is still 1, and I got to change these colors. So 16 is black, beige, linen. Those are the same ones. Black, beige, linen. We're on number 19. Red teal, brown, beige. Red, teal. We got 2 more colors, and that is deep rose, so number 7 and number 11. And we're done. Let's save that and close that. Okay, so it's showing all the way till 9. Okay. Gotta make sure when you go up, you still have the 15, 8, 9. Stop. 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 And the other stop. And the last stop right here. Save. Press OK. That's it for this color stitch out. I'll be making a second video for this, as well as one with the USB, how to change the colors on the machine, as well as another video with a stitch out. This is Jessica from Lonely Marie Creations. Your next creation.